chocolate bar begins with carefully harvested cocoa pods. The harvested beans begin their journey to the factory. The factory receives the raw cocoa for processing. The beans are thoroughly cleaned before production.
Only the finest beans continue to the next stage. Roasting unlocks the chocolate's distinctive flavor. Grinding transforms cocoa into rich chocolate liquor. Refining creates chocolate's smooth and creamy texture. Tempering gives chocolate its glossy finish and crisp snap.
Every chocolate bar is carefully checked before packaging.
The finished chocolate is packaged for consumers. The chocolate begins its final journey from the factory to customers worldwide.